Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TD Ameritrade for portfolio tracking and statements. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into TD Ameritrade, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.tdameritrade.com and hit enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check both entries for accuracy. If you want to stay logged in on your device, select the Remember User ID option. Once everything is filled out, click on the Login button below the password field. After logging in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, locate the My Accounts tab at the top of the page. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Portfolio from the drop-down menu to view your current holdings. For account statements, look for the Documents tab on the dashboard. Click on Documents to access your statements. You can download or view documents directly from this section. If you encounter any login issues, ensure your user ID and password are correct. You may also click on the Forgot User ID or Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your login credentials if needed. Now you're ready to track your portfolio and access your statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.